Lake Tahoe. Man, it's awesome here.
Oh, it's so beautiful, guys.
I think we came at the perfect time of year just because the weather's just right.
Oh, it's nice. We are up and around. It's lunchtime. It's 11 o'clock, early lunch.
Yeah.
But we found a Mexican food restaurant here. We're going to try Los Mexicanos.
Yeah.
There's a Safeway here. We're going to get some firewood and water and all that kind of stuff we need.
Yeah, so we can cook out. We got a little fire pit that we got going on.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. We got some stuff planned. We're waiting to hear back from something.
I got a voicemail. I don't know how I missed the call. I didn't get the notification.
Did she voicemail you or did?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Well, you also have to stay tuned, but we're going to go have lunch.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? We are up out here by a place called Castle Rock. It's over there. I don't know if you can see it.
Behind the tree?
Yeah. But we want to climb it, but we didn't come prepared. We're in flip-flops. So we're trying to debate on trying it in flip-flops or coming back with tennis shoes.
I think we need to come back with tennis shoes.
I think the view from up there would be awesome.
Yeah, it would be. We're going to go for it.
We'll try it. We're going to try it.
This may be the last vlog from the Crafty Truckers.
Yeah.
We'll find out. All right, I chickened out.
We're going to come back tomorrow with our tennis shoes. We may come back later today.
Maybe later today.
Yeah.
Definitely tomorrow.
Yeah, but we're going to do it. We just want to have our tennis shoes on. I think that'd be a safer bet.
My flip-flops.
He needs new ones.
I need new ones. Look, it's already broken, half broken. I'm kind of like holding it there in between my toes just so if that was to break, oh my gosh, I'd be barefooted.
Yeah, so we're going to come back in tennis shoes and we're going to climb that mountain.
Yeah, yeah.
But it is a beautiful view up here.
Yeah, it's a nice little hike.
Yeah, not bad. Pretty easy. It's all downhill from here.
Yeah, we got some other cool stuff planned today. What a view that'd be from up there.
I know. We're coming back.
We are.
For sure.
All right.
Happy Tuesday, guys.
We are back.
We're back to conquer this rock in better attire this time.
Yeah, we got shoes this time. And that's the rock we're gonna be climbing way up, going up there.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Look at this view. Oh my goodness.
I think the view's gonna be better up there.
I think so too. So let's go do this.
All right. We made it.
Made it to the top.
Woo-hoo. Well, going down is going to be funner.
I know. That's probably the more scary going down.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful up here, guys.
It is so awesome.
Wow. Yeah. Take a look and we'll see you at the bottom.